Rolling bridge in London. London's rolling bridge is a type of curling or folding movable bridge is the part of the Grand Union Canal at Paddington Basin, London. In spite of the connotation of its name, it is more accurately described as curling. Heatherwick Studios was commissioned to designed by SKM Anthony with Packman Lucas, and built by Littlehampton Welding Ltd. The hydraulic design and development was done by Primary Fluid Power Ltd. The 8 triangular sections hinged at the walkway level and connected above by 2 parts links that can collapse towards the deck by hydraulic cylinders, which are concealed in vertical posts in the bridge parapets. The 12 meters long footbridge when it extended in resembles a conventional steel and timber. It allow the passage of boats. The hydraulic pistons are activated and the curls up until at 2 ends joins, to form an octagonal shape measuring 1 1/2 of the waterway's width at that point. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.